Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the golden age of American automotive engineering to explore one of the most elegant pre-war luxury sedans ever built, the 1937 Hudson Custom 8. A car known for its smooth ride, innovative engineering, and beautiful Art Deco styling. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, and performance, and see why this classic still stands out nearly 90 years later. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1937 Hudson Custom 8 embodies classic 1930s design with sweeping lines and a bold presence. At the front, you're greeted by a beautifully sculpted vertical chrome grille paired with teardrop-shaped headlights, a signature look of the era. The rounded fenders flow seamlessly into the long hood, giving the car a majestic, aerodynamic profile. The body features smooth curves and minimal sharp edges, reflecting Hudson's focus on streamlining. Chrome accents around the windows, hood vents, and bumpers add a touch of luxury while maintaining a refined, understated look. The rear showcases a gentle sloping trunk with a split back window, a design detail that truly sets it apart from its competition at the time. This is a car that turns heads not because it's flashy, but because it's timeless. Interior. Step inside, and the 1937 Hudson Custom 8 welcomes you with classy, handcrafted elegance. The cabin features broad, comfortable bench seats upholstered in rich fabric or optional leather, depending on the trim. The dashboard is a beautiful piece of Art Deco styling, combining polished metal accents with clearly labeled gauges and elegant control knobs. The large, thin-rimmed steering wheel sits proudly in front of a gauge cluster that includes a speedometer, fuel gauge, oil pressure, and ammeter, all designed with the sophistication of the era. You'll also notice an abundance of legroom, both front and rear, making the Custom 8 a true luxury sedan of its time. Real wood trim on the doors and dash completes the look, giving the cabin a warm, premium feel. Even without modern features, the interior delivers charm, comfort, and craftsmanship that stands the test of time. Performance. Under the hood, the 1937 Hudson Custom 8 is powered by a smooth and reliable inline-eight engine, delivering around 128 horsepower, an impressive figure for its era. Hudson engineered this engine for both power and refinement, giving drivers a quiet and effortless driving experience. One of the standout features was Hudson's forward-thinking duo automatic hydraulic braking system, which improved stopping control and safety, a big deal in the 1930s. The car also offered a 3-speed manual transmission with optional overdrive, making highway cruising smoother and more fuel-efficient. On the road, the Custom 8 was known for its smooth ride, stable handling, and well-balanced suspension. For a pre-war car, it delivered an excellent blend of performance and comfort. In conclusion, the 1937 Hudson Custom 8 is more than just a vintage automobile, it's a piece of American automotive history. With its stylish exterior, luxurious interior, and refined performance, it represented the height of Hudson's engineering achievements before the war. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates beautifully crafted machines, the Hudson Custom 8 stands as a true icon of its time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content. See you in the next video.